We're going to go ahead and take a look at number 23 from section 6.3, Applications of Linear Equations. Number 23 reads as follows, and again, make sure if you don't have the book in front of you, please go ahead and pause the video and grab that along with a sheet of paper and something to write with so that you can jot down important notes. Okay, all set? 23. In 2000, 31% of U.S. adults viewed a college education as essential for success. For the period 2000 through 2010, the percentage viewing a college education as essential for success increased on average by approximately 2.4 each year. If this trend continues, by which year will 67% of all American adults view a college education as essential for success? So if you notice, this one is kind of talking about a trend that you're experiencing. In this case, it seems that it's gaining popularity to have this view that having a college education is important. So to kind of talk about this, let's kind of break this up. So to start, we know that in 2000, let's see, 31% thought college was important. Along the way, this opinion increased by 2.4% each year. And finally, at our finish, we want to know what year will we reach 67%. Okay, so this actually looks very much so like a linear equation. We're going to start off by working with the 31%. And then we're actually going to say, well, since we're seeing an increase or a growth is going to imply that we're going to be adding. Okay, so if every year we're going to add another 2.4% of people who agree with this, then we're going to do, after the first year, it'll be 31% plus 2.4%. After that, we will add another 2.4% on top of that answer. And then the year following, we would add another 2.4% on top of that answer. So we will add the 2.4% here. But notice that the 2.4% is going to vary because we don't know how many years we're going to look into yet. So we want to put in an x next to it to signify the fact that this value is going to vary depending on how many years we look into the future. Then we also know that our goal is to reach it so that it is 67%. So we can go ahead and solve this. What we would want to do then is subtract 31 from both sides, and we get 2.4x. Oops, I did not finish that, sorry. That was what was throwing me. That should read 67, my apologies. So if we subtract 31 from both sides, then we are going to get 36. And then again, in order to break that multiplication that you're seeing, we're going to divide both sides by 2.4. This is going to leave x on its own. And if we take care of that division, 36 divided by 2.4 will equal 15. But again, we want to note 15 what? And in this case, 15 is going to be years from 2000. So ironically enough, and I wonder if this is actually true, we're saying that, and I'll go ahead and write this in red, adults, U.S. adults more specifically, will there we go, 67% of U.S. adults, there we go, will view a college education as important in the year 2015. And how I got that was, if I'm going 15 years from 2000, well, that would be 2000 plus an additional 15 years, or 2015. So here is your final solution. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you are still uncertain, what I would encourage you to do is please rewatch the video, or to consult me directly, or speak with a tutor. All right, thanks.